Yeah, it's definitely way better than it was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Like it's not pain now. Like before it was like numbing pain into my shoulder and arm.
Have you done arms or anything like that?
I have just done yesterday I did back.
Oh, okay. And that was okay?
Mhm.
Okay.
And that's, let's see. I didn't work out on Sunday or Saturday.
He's looking at himself in the mirror. Do you feel anything yet?
Yeah, but you can go way higher.
Keep going or leave it there?
You can go one high.
Can you feel it here?
Not as much.
Yeah, that rotator component is definitely taking over.
Oh, okay. There's just a little bit, but that was even more last time.
Right.
I think. Maybe.
Yeah, it was. We'll still do a little bit to this.
It's just like one knot right there.
You just want to see what's going on, don't you? Hey,
Down.
Come here. Come here, bud. You want to see mom, huh? Yeah, you just want to see mom. See, she's okay. She's okay. See, here she is. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, I just want to see mom. Okay, so this is sliding cupping. So all I'm gonna do is, if I'm just gonna put it stationary, I put a little bit more air into the cup. But for the sliding cups, I put just a little bit of air, so it allows me to slide the cup along the skin. You don't want to put too much air in there because then when you pull it's painful, but you definitely want to get enough so it's pulling that skin upward. And this kind of helps to show me where some restrictions are because the cup won't slide as easily along some areas. And it will kind of make a line of where the problem restricted areas are at. So definitely for her along and around this shoulder blade, almost right here is where it's really stuck. And then eventually that's where I'll put the cups around her shoulder blade. So on her, the main issue is she has a lot of gunk or knots, muscle tension around this shoulder blade, and the shoulder blade is almost tilted upwards. So this upper trap is pulling her shoulder up. It's pulling the shoulder out of position. She's getting a lot of pain, and her shoulder just can't move correctly because this muscle right here through here has so much tension. So it's not allowing her shoulder blade to sit in the normal spot. So sometimes I almost tell people it's like their shoulder blade is falling off of their shoulder. Put your arm behind your low back for me. Yep, good. Wow, yeah, that's good right here.
Doing chiropractic on animals.
You can't imagine?
Yeah, that'd be hard.
I think it's actually pretty easy. It's just like kids, kind of.
Oh.
Yeah, like all you kind of do is like go along their spine and like press through. Like I could easily do
Yeah.
You next, bud? Are you next?
You know how to do that.
I'm not like training it. They're pretty much.
Can't get down.
They're pretty much just like humans, you know.
Right.
Yeah, he's still got some nice bruises.
Mhm.
What's up?
I think that used to hurt, and that doesn't.
It's not too bad.
Doesn't hurt.
Okay.
Do shoulders.
Yeah.
I was like, let's just do like okay.
Something that was really causing her pain was this overhead motion, which a lot of people get just because they're getting pinching in either the front delt, the bicep, or the pec. And this actually feels a little bit better in there. So this is the second treatment we've done with her. The first time she was in a lot of pain, and today she was a lot better. We did corrective exercises. We did a lot of this muscle work. Okay, good. Good. Any pain with that? Okay. Actually, you know what I'm gonna have you do is go on your side.
This side?
That side, sorry. Okay, and just let it, flop there.
Hey, I'm pretty sure that hurt really bad when you did that on Saturday, and that
It's
doesn't.
not too bad.
No, it doesn't hurt at all.
Okay. So a big factor for her was part of this rotator cuff, just due to a little bit of strain from having that forward posture. So often this is what I'll do with patients is get them on their side so we can really take this arm through ranges of motion and get into that rotator cuff. For her it's kind of this teres, I'd say teres minor, and last time this was very painful for her. And then I'll have them do some active range of motion, so go across your body for me. Yeah, much better, much better. Good, do one more. Good. Let it bend.
No pain.
Hey buddy. What's up, buddy?
No pain with
That's
that
okay?
either. That hurt last time when you did that.
Wow, good job. So the muscle that lines, kind of in the armpit, lines the inside of the scapula or the subscapularis, needs a little TLC, but just open up the arm overhead across the body, and this is so much better. And then overhead like this. This is probably where she's most restricted, in this overhead motion. But this is not a fun one to get worked out because you often don't get into the subscap. It doesn't get a lot of attention. So this is often not fun, but once you get this worked out, your shoulder can move a lot better. Okay, good. Get into this just a little bit.
I think this is where I was sore last time a
Yeah.
little bit. And like a little here and like
Okay.
in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably the most painful.
Is
thing
it?
yet.
Yeah.
But even so, it's still bearable pain. I don't probably think it was last time. It probably hurt more. You know, time.
Yeah, right there. Try to keep your arm open.
What the heck is that?
The pec minor. That tickles?
Yeah.
One more. Oh, right there.
Oh! Ouch, it hurts and tickles.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh!
Okay. Am I hurting your mom? Am I hurting your mom? Yeah. Is I hurting her?
Hi.
His little tail.
Hi, kingoos.
Yeah, you can just keep him there.
You looking outside?
Is that mommy's owie you licking? You licking mommy's owie?
Do you have like cream on there or something? Is that what he's licking?
But it's not. I feel like there's no like
He's probably
flavor
licking it.
or.
Oh really? I don't know.
Yeah, he definitely is. Good God.
Yeah.
This is much better.
Yay. Yeah, I'm not having neck pain like I was.
Okay, good. Yeah, much better. Right about here.
So curious.
And then let's get your upper back adjusted too.
Okay.
And then left, yeah. Yeah, let's go down just a little bit. Give me a hug.
Like this?
Yep.
Like this?
Much better. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Wow. That
Got
was
it.
good. Wow, this is okay.
He does
I
that.
can't even grab it.
Even when I give him a treat, he does that. I'm like,